Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we'll learn all about regular expression in Python, also called RegEx. So regular expression is used to search, match and manipulate text patterns. So let me tell you how do we import this module. So we write import and using RE module we use regular expression. Python provides the RE module for working with regular expressions. So let's see examples of this. So find all. So firstly we'll use find all. So this will return all matches in the list. So for that we'll import the module and now we'll create a text means. So here we have created a text. Now by using find all we'll return all matches in the list. And now we'll print the value of x. Now let's see the output. So here we can see the amount of AI which came is 2. So this is how this will return the output. Now we'll use search. So for that we'll import the module. And now we'll print the value of x. So we'll use search to search the word. So here we can see the output. This is how it returns the output, and search return the first match object. Now I'll tell you how to use split in this. So import the module. So here the split the string at spaces. So this will split the string at spaces. So let's see the output of this. So this is how the output look like. So now let's see another example which will be match object example. So for that we'll firstly we'll search a word and now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this. So in today's video we learned find all, search, split and sub. So that's all about Python RegEx, and if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.